Hey my beautiful souls, welcome back or welcome if you're new to the channel. I hope you and your family is safe and healthy at home. So I recently got to know about this app called Smitten, and yeah, I've tried my hands on this and I've ordered some of the products from this app. So this is the box. Now let's just quickly unbox this and let's see what I've ordered. Before that, let's quickly see what this app is all about. As I've already downloaded this app, after signing in you get the options at the top like this 6 trial points. On the left side you get the menu where you can see all the options, and these are all the categories you can shop for. Like for showing you, I'm adding this caffeine body scrub and this Mama's sleeping mask. These two products were for 1 trial point, and you can see all the products mentioned. इनमें सब में ट्रायल पॉइंट्स बताए हुए हैं. Like some of the products are for 2 trial points, some of the products are for 1 trial point. So 1 trial points की आप 6 products ऐड कर सकते हैं. Done with my trial points because one item was for 2 trial points. So अभी मेरी कार्ट में 5 products हैं. You can see the total payment is 199 rupees. And here you will get two option. One is the 199 cashback, and ये cashback आपको within 1 month use करना पड़ेगा. And the second one is 6 trial points, and for both the option you have to pay 199 rupees. So here is my छोटू सा box, and you can see, oops. One is this product and the rest of the 4 is in this wrapping. So let's see. This is a paper wrap and here is all my 4 items. So the first product is this plum green tea mattifying moisturizer. You can see it clearly. It's 15 ml of product. So it's the plum green tea renewed clarity night gel. It's also 15 ml of product, but इसकी जो MRP इन्होंने 175 लिखी हुई है, but I got this for 33 rupees. And these products are super cute, easy to travel with, so I think it's a great deal. The third product is this Wow Nargis body butter. It's 25 ml of product. And all the manufacturing and the expiry dates are written right here. So and the fourth product is this Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer. It's also 25 grams of product. And the last but not the least are these contact lenses from Fresh Look. If you can see, it's grey in color and it's one-time use contact lenses. Again, I am totally excited for this one to use. मेन रीज़न टू बाय दीज प्रोडक्ट्स इज़ कि ये सैम्पल साइज प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे मिल रहे हैं. सो अगर ये मेरी स्किन को सूट करेंगे या फिर मुझे अच्छे लगे तो आई विल डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बाय द बिगर वर्जन ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. सो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मुझे ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. Thanks for watching this video and stay safe, eat healthy, take care of yourself. I'll come with more videos. Till then, bye, take care.